Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining today's live stream. So today, as what you can see in the background, okay, this is an actual live trade that I am personally taking. Okay, I actually took two entries in this trade. Okay, I took out one already, so right now I'm just leaving this one running as of now. So what we will go through today, basically, I will leave in the details of the reason behind why I actually took this trade, what I personally saw, okay, what basically got my interest into entering this trade today, okay, and then of course, we will be also potentially be looking into another live trade opportunity, especially in another pairing. Maybe we can look into Ethereum or Dogecoin, depending on what looks best. All right, and then we will see if there are any opportunities for either a sell model or a buy model, which we could potentially be entering for today. All right, if that sounds interesting, guys, please do not forget to leave a like to the video, subscribe if you haven't already, because we do this almost every single day. All right, and if you want to take it to step a notch, all right, feel free to register to the link in the description below, where I basically teach you guys to become genuine and powerful traders, all for free. Okay, my name is Guna. I've been trading for the past 3 years now. So all I do is I share my experiences here live, especially live on YouTube, sharing with you guys my fundamental analysis, my technical analysis. Okay, so that you guys will be able to really understand the way how I look at the markets every single day, certain things that I specifically do every single day, in order for me to gain actually profits and also get how to say, be successful in this field. All right, to be honest, it's not that difficult. The only difficult thing is us going against ourselves. We personally as traders, we make it difficult for ourselves. All right, because we tend to be emotional when we trade. We tend to take decisions that we know we should not be taking. Okay, these are the things that basically kills a trader. It's not really trading itself. Trading is very simple, guys. We can only sell or we can buy. That's it. Okay, but our emotions, our thought process, and what we do to ourselves inside, that is what makes trading super difficult. All right, but no worries. Okay, today we'll be going through all of those interesting things. On top of that, I'm going to share with you guys why potentially price is heading towards the downside right now. Okay, okay, I will also share some analysis that I shared inside our Discord community yesterday. Okay, so that we will be able to tie up together the reason being of my selling, how to say, my reason for selling lah. Okay, at this point of time. All right, if that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax. Okay, let me get my glass of water as usual. Okay, and then we will start our session today. So far, price is still moving towards the downside. If you guys want to sell, just sell. All right, this is an amazing move down. Hold on. Before I go get my glass of water, let me also just double confirm certain things. Yep. Okay, everything is on. All right. Okay, just want to make sure everything is on, and you guys are actually carrying me lah. All right. Just let me get a glass of water. Sit back, relax. I'll be back. Okay. One moment, guys. One moment. Okay, guys, I'm back. I think the sound quality when I hold my microphone like this is much better. Okay, compared to me actually placing it on my collar. So now I need to figure out something. I need to figure out how to actually set this up. Okay, you guys just enjoy the music again. Just give me a moment. I'll just be right here. Again, let me try to figure out DIY some stuff right now. Okay, and any questions at all, guys, please feel free to leave it in the comment. There, not comment. Okay, in the chat section, and then I will get back to you guys right after I figure out what can I do with this microphone so that you guys can hear me a lot more clearer. Okay, then I will explain to you guys the reason behind my selling opportunity right now. Lah. All right, just give me a moment. Huh? Okay, guys, mic test, mic test. I think you guys can hear me a lot clearer right now. Okay, ayo, mic cat, another one. Okay, I think you guys can hear me a lot clearer right now. Okay, if you can, please let me know. Okay, I also will just double confirm from my side. Okay, then we will get into today's session. Give me a moment. Hello, hello. Thank you so much for joining today's session. Our trader. Okay. Actually, to be honest, it sounds a lot clearer now, lah. Okay. So this will be my temporary setup. If you guys see the background, right? I mean the behind the scene, right? You guys might laugh, lah. So I won't be doing that today. Okay, maybe another time, right? But not today. Okay. Much clear. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Okay, that's how it should be. Clear, like how we do our trading. Okay, be full of clarity. Okay, that's how we trade. Keep it clear, simple, with tons and tons of clarity. Okay. So what were we looking at? Okay, for today. Okay. I actually honestly, okay, believe right. We would have been, how to say, expecting a selling model when price actually came to this point yesterday. I really was expecting this, especially when I start to see wicks occurring. Okay, the reason behind nothing special at all. Okay, literally there's nothing special. This is basically an OB zone. We all can understand that, and we all can see that, right? I mean, look, price actually moved all the way towards the downside, and this was the only opposite color candle that caused this amazing move towards the downside. Okay, but then price still was adamant actually to keep moving towards the upside line. We did see a move down actually. We did see a move down. Okay, this was actually quite a significant move down because this is a 1 hour chart. All right, so 1 hour chart means one candle represents an hour worth of data, right? So imagine if a 1 hour chart, okay, and then if you go, let's say to a 5 minute chart, how many candles is that? 10, 67, 12 candles, is it? 12 candles. I mean, of course, not. Same like the clock. 12 candles moving all the way towards the downside. That's a lot of pips, okay? To be honest. So we did see a move towards the downside, okay? That OB did its part now, okay? It just wasn't strong enough to the point to continue the downtrend, all right? However, what are we seeing right now? Okay, price actually came to another major OB zone. Why this OB zone is a little bit more interesting compared to this side one? Okay, I'll show you. Okay, the reason being is because this OB zone, okay, actually is a inverse OB zone already lah. Okay, so this was initially OB plus, all right. So where it kept price above, and then when price break below, price actually starting to respect this zone. Okay, and see the push all the way down. All right. At the same time now, price came back to the same area. You see, nothing special, nothing very high end. Okay, very atas. Okay, too in depth stuff on, just OB zone. Okay, of course there are another thing that I personally add on because I personally like to do my personal trading not solely based on a single, how to say, single structure or single element. For me it's not enough lah. This is again my own personal preference. It's up to you guys how you guys like to trade, because I said trading is a Rubik's cube concept. Okay, however you guys want to solve the Rubik's cube, it is up to you guys. As long as you see success towards the end, fine. However you wish to do it, right? Okay, I actually labeled this wrongly. Now I realize this is not New York High. Okay, let me change this, guys. One moment. Because the reason why I want to change this right now, because this is actually important to what I'm going to explain right now. I got a random high. Okay, let me amend this for a while, guys. Again, guys, feel free to ask any questions that you guys may have. Let me just amend this. Save as random high. Okay, so this is actually our beautiful New York high, which has been taken up. This is actually ties to what I said before. I don't just act on one thing usually. All right. I like to wait for a little bit more confirmation. Okay. So on top of this OB zone, all right. So what can we see? When price break through this OB zone, price is respecting this area. Hence the reason why we had a very powerful move towards the downside. So now again we're having another interaction with this OB zone. All right. And on top of this beautiful interaction we have with this OB zone, we are seeing a New York high being taken out. All right. See, beautiful things that always on being respected. New York High taken out. Again, not necessarily, like specifically, I'm saying New York High like it's a very important place. No, any high is important. Okay, it doesn't matter Asia or London or New York. Okay, because each of these is we call sessions, right? So each of these sessions, highs or lows, okay, they carry liquidity. Just understand that, okay, liquidity. So New York high liquidity has been swept. On top of that, bear in mind again, this is a 1 hour chart. All right. So after price has swept, okay, we can see sellers coming in. Hence the reason why we can see a wick lah. I think you guys can see it. Hold on. Let me zoom in a bit. There we go. See the wick? This is the wick of the candle lah. Okay. So this means when price actually came all the way up to this range, okay, sellers start to come in and push price down, hence price closing at this level lah. Okay, then price opened here for a bearish candle and then price closed below. Okay, so we're starting to see a move towards the downside. This is showing that number one is respecting this OB zone. Number two, possibly it already swept a certain liquidity range which it was going for, and once it's done that sweeping job already, so now he's going to show his true move lah, his expansion. Okay, number three, confluence of why I think potentially price is going down. I actually shared this in yesterday live. I will share it again. All right. So you see these ranges, right, guys? These ranges are all our fair value gaps. Okay. This is daily time frame. Right now we're in. Okay, daily time frame is each of these candle only closes up to 24 hours. Okay. So you see, this is the first value gap, fair value gap, filled to the peak. Okay, so it doesn't matter anymore. This fair value gap has been mitigated, hence the reason why price is moving towards the upside. Because why? We always have to clarify and remind ourselves, fair value gaps, when we look at it, right, are we looking at a bearish fair value gap or are we looking at a bullish fair value gap? Okay, this is very important because they play a very important key structure, okay, to the matrix of how price will actually react once it goes to a specific zone. In this case, okay, sorry guys, actually I pressed something lah. You guys cannot see that. Okay. Uh, okay. So when we go to a bullish fair value gap, okay, first we understand bulls are the people that are pushing price up. Vice versa, bears are the people that are pushing price down. Clear? Super clear, right? So this is a bullish fair value gap. Sorry guys, I just eaten dinner. I hope you guys had already. Okay, a bit late lah for dinner now. I believe lah. Most of you might be thinking. Usually I eat around this time lah. Okay, so when price comes in, this is why we're seeing a reaction, because basically price is just reacting based on its matrix of a bullish fair value gap. Okay, bullish means when price comes to mitigate or either fill it to the pit, price will start to show reaction towards the upside. All right. But I think what I'm saying, yeah, what we have to notice about is we also have another fair value gap here in the daily time frame. So essentially, okay, price does not like gaps in the market. All right, this is something you guys have to be aware of. It's not 100% thing. The price will always go and close the gap. No, but there is a very high percentage that most of the time price does this lah. Okay, most of the time price usually goes and fills up the gaps because, like I said, price don't like it. Okay, they really, really, really dislike these gaps. Okay, because it's unhealthy price action. Okay, so we have one more fair value gap that is yet to even be touched. Okay, you see where I'm going with what the current trend is actually showing us briefly right now. Okay, that we're moving towards the downside. Potentially is because price wants to close this gap. Again, this is just potentially. Okay, as traders, what we do, we give out predictions. Okay, we give out our analysis based on what we are seeing, and then we watch what price action is telling us at that point of time. Okay, which is what we are going to do later on now, because now it's 9:30, so right now is actually New York session open. Sorry, hold on. Let me confirm. Because I remember March it starts at 10:30. Let me confirm. Hold on, guys. Give me one moment. Again, because if any question, feel free to ask. Today teacher music style different, very booming. Because I wanted to try a different style of music, but then my last time I got post on video, it got copyright. But I agree. Okay, the music was not copyright free, so my fault that one. So that's why I just stick to lofi style music. But then maybe the lofi style music a little bit sleepy. So I wanted to try different copyright style music, and I managed to find this playlist. So that's why I'm trying something different today, lah. I hope is okay lah for you guys. At least something booming a bit, right? Okay, hold on one moment. Because I remember March is 10:30, I think. But I need to make sure I confirm this because this information is so important, guys, especially if you guys are interested to trade for New York session. Huh? Okay. Okay, guys, March 10. Mark this out in your calendar, all right? So March 10 this month, okay, that time New York session will start at 10:30 p.m. for Malaysia time. Okay, so right now that means we are right now in New York session now because it's not the 10th of March yet. All right. Okay. So then, thank you so much for this information. So right now, what we can do, we can go and watch price movement. Okay, so you guys understand this area right now, right? Okay, price moving down, order block is respecting as of now. The reason being is because potentially price wants to come and fill up this gap. Okay, so we are not saying that price may go all the way until my TP range here. Okay, I'm not saying that this is 100% thing. Nothing in trading is 100%. This is just something I am looking towards lah right now. Okay, because of this order block, okay, showing its potential quite a few times already whenever price comes into the zone, and also price already have taken out New York high. Okay, so what? Oh, sorry guys. What do we understand about New York high? Okay, since it's towards the upside, anything towards the upside, what we actually say, okay, in trading terms, right? This is what we call actually buy side liquidity. Okay, so we also have buy side liquidity. At the same time, we also have sell side liquidity now. Whenever price takes out a certain range of liquidity, either the buy side, right? Let's say buy side like for this case, price tends to go towards the next form of liquidity, which is usually towards the sell side. Okay, usually towards the sell side liquidity lah. Oh, wait, sounds great for me. Okay, awesome. Thank you, thank you. Hope you're great. I'm glad, blah blah. I'm glad. Wow, suddenly so hard to say this word. I am glad you like it. Got more to it. Yeah, got more Oh, the timing is switching again. Yeah, 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 yeah. It will change. Usually a New York session will change from Malaysia. Only these two time lah. From 9:30 and then it will go 10:30. So 10th of March, don't worry lah. When I will always live stream also, I will inform you guys again lah. Okay? 10th of March. I mean. So right now, this one I want to make it lighter. I should make lighter first. Never mind. I move it to the side first because lighter then we cannot see them also. Okay, I will just maintain this area here because this is what I'm anticipating for price to go to. Okay, because right now what I want to do is I want to look at the current price and I want to understand what, sorry, not what, who is actually in control. Let's see, guys. Okay, this New York session. Okay, we're having a strip of liquidity here. Okay, but this swap already taken. Okay, so nothing much we can see as of now. During a London session, right, there was no clear control also, no guys. Okay, just to let you know that I didn't enter London session based on control today. Okay, I entered London session just based on the understanding of the order block and in terms of how price was reacting to certain liquidity ranges. Based off that, I entered London for sale. Okay, and the profits that I shared to you guys that I earned from London session was actually just based on this understanding because I actually didn't see clear control, especially in London because London actually, like I said, like in our Discord community also, really slow today, guys. Okay, so let's just see this one. So far, we're not seeing anything like anything interesting. Okay. But if we're starting to see a move down, then potentially we can be seeing this New York session get taken up. Okay. The reason being, of course, again, like I said, we have daily fair value gaps waiting below. Okay. And then these fair value gaps, price, like I said, usually like to fill them up. Okay. Because price don't like these gaps, especially in the market. All right. So what they will do, they tend to go and fill them up. So while we wait, right, for New York session to play out a bit, okay, because so far two candle, no way in the world will be able to understand who is really in control. Okay, in 1 minute time frame, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 candles, but still nothing that significant. Okay, if you ask me right now, okay, yeah, lah, we're seeing one form of liquidity sweep here. Okay, but then based on how price reacts to the mitigation range around this section, if we're starting to see a move towards the upside, then potentially we can aim for our London high lah. Okay, this one let me mark it out. Okay, this one is a New York high already taken out by price. Okay, we have a random high here. This one can maintain because it's not taken out yet. Okay, then let's add in our Asia high. See this. In a Asia high. Also, guys, I did a YouTube video. Okay, I haven't posted it yet because I plan to post it right after this live session. I shared yesterday more in detail pertaining to why actually price moved towards the upside, and also it avoided certain order block zone that we were able to analyze. There's actually a reason behind this, and I will highly recommend that you guys go and watch the video after this live stream. I will be posting it. The reason being is because as traders, right, on top of analyzing things that is about to happen, it's also very clearly important for us to understand post analysis why certain things happen in the way. Okay, if it happened based on how we analyze, okay, great lah, because we understood it that way. But let's say if it didn't happen how we analyze, okay, that makes us not being able to enter a trade because the trade didn't go according to how we predicted it to go. It is very good as traders not to just forget about it. Please don't do this. Okay? Always remember you should go back and analyze why. And I did that for you guys. And then I made a video also, and I'm going to post it after this live stream. So this actually is in hope that you guys will be able to learn how I do my analysis. So whenever any post market things happen, especially when you guys give out your predictions on your own, and then the price actually move in a different direction, causing you not to enter the markets because it didn't go in your favor. Okay, don't treat it as a loss. To be honest, nothing in trading is a loss. It's only a loss if you decide it to be, especially in your mind lah. All right. Even every loss you take is a win, because every loss you take is an opportunity to become better. It just depends on how frequent, not frequent, how hard are you at working on understanding the reason behind why you made those losses, and how can you turn them around the very next time when you go into trading once again. All right. Like I said, the video will be out lah after this. All right. I will post there right after this live stream. Hold on, guys. Let me just check certain things. Almost mitigation range. Let's see, because New York session likes to do manipulation. Okay, usually the first thing they do is manipulation one. So let's just be patient right now. Okay, let's just see what price will be doing. Either price will be breaking through this or respecting this range. I personally still feel a lot more comfortable to enter after 10:30. Okay, that's just a personal preference of mine. Okay, you guys can enter at 9:30 or so, but I do enter sometime before 10:30. Okay, we did it also in our Discord community. Okay, I got share there. I entered before 10:30. It just depends on what I'm truly seeing. Like, actually, that's the way how I trade. I need to see certain things, then I will choose to enter the trade. Okay. Okay. Let's see, let's see, Let me just draw this range here. Let's see, price close above this. Okay, while we wait for this one, guys, let me just go analyze for ETH for a while. Okay, let's not lose any opportunities for other markets that we get entered today. Okay, you guys, like I said, any questions, feel free to ask me in the chat section. Okay, then I will answer for you guys. You guys enjoy the music first, Wow, 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 guys! I didn't look at ETH opportunity. I entered for BTC. I should have entered ETH. Oh my God! Look at this, guys. Right on the mitigation range. So pretty, man. This is a gorgeous trade. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Always be happy with your wins. Okay. I just be happy. Still, I got some wins, especially for BTC. Okay. Wow. Look. Really, really amazing. It's such an amazing move. Okay. Price never even went to touch the OB zone as well yet. Insane. Okay. Okay lah. So this one I just remove first because this is now not important anymore. Don't confuse us. Oh, sorry guys. Okay. Let me do some analysis. Okay, sure it is. I think right, ETH right, we still may be seeing a move towards the downside because I actually highlighted this yesterday. Yeah, I thought yesterday we are going to start to see this move, tremendous move towards the downside, because I was expecting price to take out these equal lows. Okay, I also highlighted this yesterday during our live stream, whereby Asia low and London low, okay, they actually had the same level, okay, of lows. They never take out each other low. Okay, imagine each session, the lows and the highs, they carry a lot of funds. Okay, when they carry a lot of funds, okay, like really a lot, okay, I'm talking millions and millions of dollars. Okay, when they do this, okay, price is attracted to what? Liquidity. Those funds that I keep mentioning, right? The millions and millions of funds is actually liquidity lah. Okay, so right now this is a powerful magnet already because it's Asia low. This is another powerful magnet already because this is London low, and then both of their lows are equal lows. Okay, they are very powerful magnets. I was expecting price yesterday during New York session after reaching a certain range, it will start to move down. Okay, but then now we're seeing actually, oh my god, my cat, so scary. Okay, but now we're actually seeing the price now is starting to move towards the downside. Okay, and I believe New York session may continue the trend towards the downside. Okay, but like I said, I will wait a little bit more. Okay, this is just my personal trading preference. Okay, if I'm planning to enter for intraday trading, if I'm going like for the bigger time frame trading, so me I don't mind lah. Like the one I entered for BTC. Okay, I get two entries. Okay, one still is running right now. Okay, and then the other one I closed off already first. Okay, but I believe we'll be coming down to take out this equal low lah. Okay, let's see. This is what I'm predicting as of now. Okay, this is the clear bears. Actually, they were actually in here. This was bears at this point, and then this was the mitigation area. So this would be our beautiful entry zone line. Okay, wow, such an amazing move down. I also focused looking at BTC. I actually drew this in ETH. That's why it went beautifully into mitigation range. Okay, never mind. We can still catch some opportunities later on. Sorry guys, give me a moment. My cat. Give me a moment, guys. One moment. You guys enjoy the music first. Hello, Brian. Thank you so much for joining the live stream today. Crazy, yeah, crazy move down. Yeah, very good opportunity. I throw this opportunity down. Okay, but I was solely focused mostly on BTC today. Okay, but again, don't feel bad about it. Okay, really, to be honest, don't feel bad about it because, like I said, BTC also showed very similar movement. Okay, just it wasn't that strong for London. Okay, let me go to 5 minute. 1 minute, everything is also very strong. Okay, see? Beautiful move, actually beautiful move, okay? But not as strong as how we are seeing ETH. Alright, both also actually had a beautiful move towards the downside. And this one, on top of showing actually bears are actually in control, we actually had a beautiful form of mitigation also. Alright, thank you. See, my wife ring for me. Brian, how's your trading all going? Okay? I for those that don't know, actually Brian is like very hardworking. Okay, I see he actually got text me showing that all of the things that he's learning, especially he went through like episode one, two, I believe episode three. So he went through it, Brian. Okay, seeing how hard you're working. Okay, the harder we work, guys, as traders, right? The more effort we put in, the more time we put in. Okay, the results definitely will be there. I was so happy when I saw that video, Brian, you sent to me. I appreciate that so much. It actually gave me a boost of energy to make episode 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, more to come. Don't worry, more to come. All right. So, guys, like I said, ETH so far, I believe we still be moving towards the downside. Okay, we actually have a certain area range of sweep already here. Okay, we have a certain range of sweep already. I believe we'll be moving towards the downside because I believe this equal low will be taken out. Okay, let's see. Small time frames, we have more candles. What am I seeing? What am I seeing? Okay, let's see what it does to this range. This range. Let's see. Let's see. What I do? Oh, the video. You text me showing that you actually practicing all of the videos that I posted out on YouTube. So those all are actually hard works that you are taking on your and okay, the efforts that you're actually putting in. So just watching those actually gave me a lot of boost of energy lah, to make a lot more so that you'll be able to have a lot more traders out there as well. I'm sure you'll be where you want to be very soon. Yeah, we all will for sure. Seeing all the videos practicing. Where got stuck in deposit money into account. I talked to you after life, man. Oh, really? Sorry to hear that. Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Of course, of course. Seem I caused big issue. Oh, but deposit is it? No worries, no worries. You have my number, Brian. No worries. Thank you, teacher. Your video really, I appreciate that a lot. I appreciate that so much. Don't worry, many more, okay? Okay. I got motivation, many more to come. Especially after this live stream, right, guys? I will be posting. I mentioned earlier, okay? I will just mention it again. I made a video yesterday, okay, about post market analysis. The reason being why market actually moved to a certain range and why actually market was moving towards the upside. For us, right, we really have to, how to say, we have to understand as traders specific movements in the markets and why they are doing certain things. The reason being is because when we analyze this kind of stuff, right, it will teach us a market mechanics. Okay, the matrix behind certain elements that is there. Price action will always show us. So all of it makes sense that next time when we're doing our how to say our analysis, we will always keep that in mind. Lah. Uh, Nothing to do with it. I'm just use my time. Awesome, awesome. Learning is always good. I'm from Taiwan. I'm learning. I appreciate that. Hello from Taiwan. Hello. Hello from Malaysia. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Appreciate every single one of you guys being here. Any specific currencies you guys are looking at for today? I know it's a weekend, okay, but as we know, the beautiful thing about crypto, 24/7 or so, we can have opportunities, right? You guys got any specific how to say pairings that you guys are looking at? I primarily focus on BTC, ETH. I have a few more. This one Solana, Dogecoin, Trump coin actually I traded during the time when it just came. Okay, I never really traded after that. Okay, because the movement to be honest really strong lah. Look at Asia. What happened? Yeah, yeah. Actually, it's still a good opportunity lah. Maybe I'll give you guys more Trump coin analysis lah starting tomorrow. Okay, for Asia, let's see for Trump coin. Okay. Yeah, and then this one XRP. So this is the main thing so far I'm focusing on lah. I'm interested to know what you guys are actually looking at, like right now, or usually what do you guys focus on? Me too. Yeah, usually focusing on the main planning. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. But recently I noticed new planning called Grass USDT. Oh, okay. I don't think it's that new. I've seen quite a few of the other traders also. They are trading this lah. Let me find it. Maybe I should add that. I should add that in my list. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see Neon session what he's doing to grass. Not bad with the name grass also. Wow, actually the movement quite okay there. This is what time now? Now it's 9:56. Not yet the New York Stock Exchange. But just based off this, we are seeing this trend line get broken now. Just based off this, all right. Let me see. Grass USDT. Let me see what important key element area that we can be looking at right now. Okay, area or significance. Price moving up to the upside overall. Okay, overall we're actually moving towards the upside lah, based on the bigger time frame. Okay, but then okay, we move down. Okay, oh yeah, from here we can see actually. Oh, so yeah, actually it's fairly new lah. Apparently it's only on 2024. Thank you so much for highlighting this. I've seen that because I'm in another group also. They've been trading this quite some time. So I thought, oh, maybe it's been here for quite some time already. Not so bad, but that's great. That is awesome. See, you find your own opportunities. That's good. Right, that's amazing. Thanks to you, now I got another potential, how to say, pairing that I can look at. Thank you so much. Okay, so guys, this one I just to highlight lah. This is what I can notice lah. Okay, this order block range right has been holding price below this section really for quite some time. Okay, so this is when 20th of January this year now. 20th of January this year up to today right. Oh yeah, guys. By the way, happy brand new month. And now it's like March. Let's welcome January, March. Yes, March. Let's welcome a lot more opportunities and success to every single one of us, especially who are genuinely trading. Right. Really, I wish you guys all of the best. So this is okay. So this is the OB zone. Let me just mark that out. It'd be nice to try a new pairing also, huh? Okay, so let me mark it out for you guys so you can see clearly. See one, two, this is counted, three, four. Okay, so right now only right, we actually seeing price pierce through. Okay, but at the same time, all right, price is kind of moving back towards the inside. Okay, I don't like to give my how to say my confirmation yet because why? This is just something I would recommend you guys do so lah. Always follow the time frame that you are drawing your OB zones, your fair value gaps, and so on and so forth. Liquidity areas also same. Okay, always follow the time frames that you're drawing them in. Because why? In trading, we have two things, right? External structure and internal structure. All right. So whenever we are using our bigger time frame bias, right? That is what we refer to as external structure. So when you draw an external structure, OB zone. All right. If you go to smaller time frames, usually you'll be already above it. See, it's already above. But just based on this, you cannot give your analysis saying that actually price already broke above the OB zone. Let's go for buy because the OB zone is not holding. You cannot do that. Okay, you must wait for your external structure to show you things whereby it is confirming if price is actually breaking through or not. So let's say in this case 4 hours. Okay, how many hours do we have left? We have 1 hour 59 minutes 40 seconds. Let's say 2 hours lah. Okay, another 2 hours. So now it's 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock, you guys can come back to this grass USDT and then look at it and see if price how is price actually reacting. Are we seeing a red candle? Okay, towards the downside with this, which means our price is still respecting this OB zone. You guys should primarily be focusing on sell. Okay, there's also another key factor. This is fair value gap. All right. So what I told you about fair value gaps, market don't like gaps. Okay, remember this. Huh? Whenever I say gap, market don't like gaps. All right. So what potentially market like to do because this is an impulse move. Okay, market will potentially come in back. But how market react to this gap, okay, will depend on how strong the movement we will start to see towards the downside lah. Because why? We are in the OB zone. Whenever price comes to OB zone, the reactions are usually very strong. I will show you. So you see, again, bear in mind, this is H4 chart. Same, this one, look at the move down. This one, look at the move down. This is insane lah. Okay, come up, look at the move down, big move down. Looks at move down. It's like aggressively moving towards the downside. So right now, if we are starting to see aggressive move towards the downside, even though this is a bullish fair value gap, okay, just be cautious. Okay, don't just blindly enter just based of mitigation. Okay, try to understand who is in control during this session when price comes into this bullish level again. Are we seeing more bulls or are we seeing more bears? Okay, if you're seeing a lot of bulls, then potentially this is going to actually break this OB zone lah. Okay, but I personally would like to trade if I want to go for buy above this OB zone that has been holding price since January 29, January 20, yeah. I would like to see at least this candle close above. Okay, but again, I will only be able to understand that in 2 hours time. All right, but as of today, let's remove this OB zone first. So be a little bit clear structure. Okay, so far market actually broke this structure, this uptrend structure. Okay, but again, remember, what does New York system like to do? Manipulation. Okay, manipulation means the first major move down is usually something to trick us. Okay, trick us traders to how to say jump on the trend, to really like grab a chance at it. Okay, that's what they like to do. Okay, not always. Sometimes this move down, okay, is an actual move for true expansion. That means now we're moving down, right? This could be a pullback, and then we start to see continuation. Can also, can anything can happen in trading, guys. That is why when they say patience is the most important thing in trading, this is why, because anything can happen. As long as we are patient enough, then we'll be able to truly capture what is going to be happening. Okay, so we see here, guys. This one I think believe in 1 minute. Okay, so we see this was initial a sweep, okay, from the above, then we're seeing a reaction down, but this is not confirmed that bears are actually here. The reason being because price actually came and traded above this zone, so this is irrelevant as of now. This section is still being relevant, okay, this is the mitigation range, but price went below, so this sweep is also irrelevant because price crossed it, okay, price traded below this range. Now we have a new form of sweep, starting to see some nice movement towards the upside. All right, but we need to understand a bit, because in ETH, right, I believe price may be going towards the downside to take out this equal low. Okay, this one is equal lows here. But again, we still have to see who is in power. Actually, to be honest, I'm okay if price wants to move up lah. Because why? If price want to move up, we have quite a bit of range to play, at least until London high. And then once certain range of liquidity gets taken out, okay, price may go back to our initial form of how to say resistance. Okay, this is actually our OB zone now. Okay, price potentially could be flying all the way up here. Okay, then we can see price come down. Very terrible drawing. My God, sorry guys, wait down. Make it a little bit more pretty. Wait. Okay, then price move up into our PI zone, then we start to move down. There we go. Move down to take out this equal low. Also can. This also can be one of a potential move lah. But of course, we have to wait and see who is in control right now. Now it's already 10 o'clock, guys. My beautiful key entry zone usually is around 10:30, but let's see. Also, bear in mind, New York low has not been taken out yet. Very close, but not yet. Okay, it's London low. Sorry, London low, not New York low. London low has not been taken out. Okay, just bear in mind. Okay, let me mark out London high. London high. Okay, London low. Oh, sorry, I never put it. London high, London low. Okay, let me see if you guys got any chat so far. Yes, teacher. Happy New Month. Yeah, Happy New Month. Let me see. You just not bad management of profit. That's good. Just trying to explore. Good, actually. You guys should explore. Okay. I was thankful enough to be in society in a group of traders lah. Okay. Actually, also from Taiwan. So it's amazing. Zen, that you actually came here. Amazing. Thank you so much. We all actually was speaking about this. Trump, they were speaking about it, so I got to know from them, and I managed to catch some opportunities now. That's why I see environment so important, guys. Um, Let me see. But try my best not to add too much of padding, otherwise you get confused. Okay lah. Don't too much lah. But the ones that have true potential, like why not? There's always a potential. People might look down on grass, but who knows grass now can talk and see. Well, when you say it like that, yeah lah. Everything is brand new, including our success in trading. Go kickstart. Yes. Kambate. That's the way. Okay guys, price moving slowly first, huh? This is what we actually prefer lah. That means price is starting to load. Okay, we're seeing more movements in BTC. Okay, let me just prepare potential trading entry here. One minute, guys. 2, 3 candles. Are you seeing any form of sweep? No, this is a BTC, so never took out London low yet. Okay, but we have at least we have a sweep towards the downside. This was initially the bulls were actually here. Okay, just keep in mind that if you are seeing bears in New York session, right, they usually like to come back and step on the footprint that bulls initially created. Vice versa, same thing. Okay, if bears was initially somewhere, when bulls come in, they like to go and step their footprint also. That's why it's very important to understand whose footprint is where. Uh, okay, setting up. Okay, set up. If you guys have any question, feel free to ask. Okay, for those that are new, thank you so much for joining. Please feel free to subscribe, leave a like to the video. And if you want to take it a notch further, please feel free to register to the link in the description below where you guys can basically register to become a trader for free. Okay, you heard it right, it's for free. Once you register, just text me and let me know that I've already registered to the link. What's next? I will send you another link, but that link is to join our exclusive Discord community, whereby we will be sharing our daily mappings, okay, our fundamental analysis. Also, we host exclusive Discord members only sessions there, which will be held tomorrow. Actually, to be honest, I forgot to inform our Discord community members also. Tomorrow, actually, we will be hosting exclusive event whereby I will be teaching my personal strategy. So the slides are actually ready. I was preparing the slides for a week. To be honest, it sounds like a lot. It's not. It's just a few pages only. The reason why it's long is because I never personally structured my strategy in the sense of how to say words or pictures and stuff, because I understand my strategy based on how I understand it. Okay, I know what is my SOPs, what I need to look for. But when I want to teach someone about it, then it's like there's a lot more things that I need to find so I can make sure that you guys really understand it. So the session will be held tomorrow for the exclusive Discord members. But again, to join this exclusive Discord members community, you guys don't have to pay me a single dollar at all. Okay, it is genuinely for free. You guys just have to genuinely start trading. That's all. Okay, that's the only kicker. Okay, you just have to start trading. You have to be trading. Okay, you have to register to the link first in the description below. I will send you a Discord community link. Okay, you'll be verified by our admins. If you register properly, you have to start trading. That is all. Okay, nothing else. Then you join already. Okay, we don't charge anybody, but then the only thing we charge basically is your effort and your time lah. Okay, to learn. Okay, guys, we're starting to see a move up. Okay, still nothing much. All right, let me see. Volumes we're having. Volumes we're having. Okay, you see how many of the bears were actually present? Crazy amount of bears actually were present during for ETH. As of now, we're starting to see more bulls come in. All right. Okay, Okay, just also another thing to keep in mind, guys. Okay, this right, this area. Okay, this is also a form of sweep of liquidity. All right, I know this is during London session, but it's towards the end of London session. All right, and then what London session did, it created all of these fair value gaps. See this one, this one, this one, and the fair value gaps, right, in this area. This is a bearish fair value gap. Okay, again, the reason being also is because I think price maybe wants to move towards the equal low here. Okay, potentially. So we gotta wait and see. Still no clear sense of control, but we do have this beautiful sweep lah. Okay, we're starting to see move up. Okay, it's 10-12 right now. See BTC. BTC, so we have a beautiful sweep here. The sweep is here. Sweep move towards the upside. Let's go and watch our grass. Let's put this as a grass. Alright. Okay, grass so far seem like this is a pullback for a move towards the downside. Okay, eventually we may be seeing move to the downside. If we are seeing a move towards the downside, the safe range of liquidity and TP to aim for is our London low here, and potentially our Asia low. So, but it depends on how strongly price will start to react at this current stage now. The reason being is because this is roughly mitigation area already. Let me confirm that. Okay, way above mitigation area. Okay, but we're seeing the reaction that we want to see lah. Let's see. I mean, now it's 10:13 still. Feel free, guys, to ask any questions if you have. I'll be more than happy to clarify for you. I will just keep doing my analysis while we wait for certain things to happen. These are forms of liquidity, just so that you guys will understand if we are moving towards the upside. This is where potentially we can be heading to. Of course, lah, we can also be heading to London High. Okay, I need to mark that also. London High. Alright, London High. It's always nice making things align for some reason. There's also a gap here, guys. Just be aware. Okay, this is also a bearish fair value gap that has not been filled but has been touched. Okay, what I mean by touched is this. See, fair value gap. Price touch this range. See, this also can. That's why I said whenever we see a fair value gap, never put in our mindset is 100% the price has to fill that. 100% price has to mitigate it. Again, no such thing. Nothing in trading is 100%. Price can even just come and tap it. Literally just tap the fair value gap and then move away. Okay, if bearish, of course, move towards the downside. Bullish, move towards the upside. Okay, it truly depends on how much price wants to respect the certain range set by the bears line in this case. Bears only can set this. With bullish fair value gap, bulls only can set this. Okay, so yeah, moving towards the downside right now, 10:15. Okay, let's see, let's see. Right now, okay, just to share, this is the current footprint of a potential bull. Okay, potentially bulls are showing their signs here. But we won't be blind enough to just simply enter now because why? We know that London usually will have some sort of manipulation phase. And same thing, bulls are showing here. That means by that, if they want to respect this, price won't be trading below this range. Okay, so this actually has a beautiful mitigation range. Okay, price starting to show some sort of reaction. I see volume, who is in control right now. Okay, so we're starting to see bears come in. Okay, right now bulls. Okay, so it's kind of like mixed match lah as of now. But for during London, New York session, right? As of here, right, we are seeing a lot more bears compared to bulls lah, based on volume, right? Let's see, we still have a little bit more time before 10:30. Yeah, this one looks like a very beautiful form of sweep. Let's see, price is sweeping any liquidity range. Okay, in 12 minutes, all right, this candle will be closing. Beautifully at 12 minutes is 10:30. Okay, that means if the candle closes, okay, just understand that now 15-minute time frame, this is a form of liquidity, H15. Sorry, M15. H15 is 15 hours. Okay, all right, one moment. Okay, just understand this. We need to see how price is closing lah. Okay, very important. So if price is closing beautifully towards the downside, we potentially are going to be seeing a move towards the downside. Okay, taking out this bears for sure. Sorry, bulls for sure, and potentially this fair value gap. Okay, this bullish fair value gap. Okay, I don't aim so low for now. Okay, because uh, this is actually quite some distance, but my overall goal is actually towards the fair value gap below lah. Okay, let me see. Let me just mark them out for us so we can remember. We're starting to see a move down, guys. Okay, very beautiful reversal star candle. This one, let's see. Beautiful movement. Okay, I changed this to VH7. Okay. Again, guys, do not confirm this sweep yet. Okay. The reason being is because we have 10 minutes more. I want to see how this candle closes. Okay. Once I understand how this candle closes, then we can start to decide. On top of that, also, we have this bullish fair value gap here. Okay, so just keep that in mind that maybe potentially when price comes into this zone, we can also be seeing a move towards the upside line. But overall, I'm looking towards the downside. guys. Apologies, I went to the restroom just now. Okay, so let's see. Overall, many things is just looking more towards the downside. Okay, let me see. 15 minutes. Okay, almost closing. So far, we are seeing this 15-minute sweep showing its true move. We still have 2 minutes, so let's see. ETH not doing that much yet. Okay, but I feel memang this equal low is going to be taken out now. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let me remove this. I don't need this. I actually set this for yesterday. Lah. Let's see. Okay, this one also we're starting to see move towards the downside. Okay, so if you guys planning to enter for the Vicaras USDT thing, I think we can also be potentially be seeing sell since price already break this trend line, okay? And then price is expecting this bearish level again. The price is not going above this range. See, cash BTC. One more minute, guys. Seems like this level won't be respected. Seems that way. The 1 minute market has a very nice sweep line for ETH here. It's a very proper sweep. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10:30, guys. Welcome to New York Stock Exchange Open. Let's see. So 15 minutes, this one is up. Oh, it closed in blue. Okay, okay. I mean, sorry. We was in BTC. 15 minutes. Okay, it closed red. Okay, so far it's showing this sweep of security is being respected. So maybe this won't hold. Using Grass STT. Hold on, guys. Be patient, huh? We also must remember remind ourselves we are over the weekends, okay? So weekends usually the volume is won't be as strong as the weekdays. I mean, common sense lah. Weekdays, usually like also all of the other markets and the currencies and the banks, everybody is operating right. For cryptocurrency, they are their own currency, okay? So they don't follow the banking system and all. That's why they can operate every single day, all right? But still, the fluctuation, the volume, it will all tie together, lah. Okay, comparing from the weekday to the weekends. It doesn't mean you cannot trade, because I mean, look, guys, show already this now. Just look at London session for ETH. What an amazing move to the downside. Cryptocurrency, you don't need to worry, lah. You guys sure always can find opportunity, but it's only about the patience part only. That's the true thing, lah. As traders, lah, we all have to be very strict with ourselves. Okay, the more patient we are, the more rewards we get. Let me see if this trend line can be drawn. Not really. It's not really that of a pretty trend line. This can. This can. Or maybe I won't draw it because I don't want to put too much of lines first already. Let me remove this. This is not relevant anymore. Okay, this is not relevant anymore. We only have these two now. The reason being is because we have a sweep at the bottom, we have a sweep at the top side. So who is in control? Let's find out. Suddenly see some moves towards the downside for BTC. Okay, this is basically respecting a bearish parallel gap. We're having a move towards the downside. Seems like we have another sweep here. So maybe starting to move down for BTC. ETH also, I think maybe this one is the one that we are going to be respecting. Yeah, guys, seems like we're moving towards the downside. Okay, if we're moving towards the downside means we can aim for sells. Okay, the safest ones, we can go for Asia low. Okay, okay, and then possibly up to this bullish fair value gap range lah. Okay, we can be potentially aiming for New York close as well, but it truly depends because usually the price starts to have some sort of like pullback or even a potential reversal around the 11:30 to 12 o'clock range, sometime close to 1 a.m. All right, but over the weekend it could be different. Weekdays usually around this time lah. Okay, so just be aware of that, huh? Okay. Starting to see beautiful moves towards the downside. We're seeing this liquidity here being swept. Okay, no real sense of control around this range. All right, we are expecting a bearish fair value gap though. Okay, for this side, okay, we're just respecting another bearish fair value gap. Okay, no sense of clear control. This one is another sign lah. This is the first sign we are seeing of bears in BTC as of now. We have to see now what else they will be doing. What is happening to grass? Grass basically staying here, yeah, so far. So guys, be patient and we watch, alright? But potential this is selling model already. I'm getting ready. If you guys have any questions, remember, feel free to ask, okay? We have some chat. Did you have any idea for people who like to revenge it or overshit? I notice sometimes I have this process. Oh, okay, okay. To be honest, I also sometimes have this feeling like, okay, it's not a feeling that's very easy to get rid of, okay, but there is a way, okay. But I know everybody know lah this way lah, okay, is to be strict with ourselves lah, okay. You have to remember that in trading, the reason why it's very difficult is not because there's like a million set of analysis or a million things you have to do before you can potentially enter a single trade. Nothing to do with that. Okay, you see the way how we analyze things, right? Just a few lines. That's it. Okay, and we are just right now waiting for a lot more clearer things lah. Okay, in terms of price action, for us to potentially be finding a nice entry model. All right. So the best way how we can actually learn to do this is number one, really set a rule to yourself, okay, that when certain things happen, what should you be doing? My personal advice, if you were to face any form of losses, right, don't sit in front of your computer anymore, okay? Maybe go take a walk, okay? Do meditation, watch a movie. And don't watch a movie, like movie maybe too long. Like watch a show, read a book, do something else to take your mind off of trading first. The reason because just understand that when you take the next trade, okay, that trade is usually not a good trade lah. Okay, it's just based on emotion. Alright. So always just give yourself some time, give yourself some space for a while, because like I said, there's always opportunities in the market. I mean, look at this. Huh? I'll give you one example. Imagine, let's just use today example. I'm not gonna find an old one, okay? I want it to be very real. Imagine, okay, you went for buy here because you saw price was moving towards the upside. You have a very big candle. You went for buy. Yes, you was in profits. Okay, let's say this was a TP. Oh, sorry, too much. Let's say 1 to 3 lah. Okay, one. Okay, 1 to 3.5 lah. Okay, okay, 1 to 4 lah. How's that? Okay, almost your TP range. Okay, amazing. You did very well, and then price starts to come back on you, and then pop, kena your ass up. Please don't go for another buy opportunity or another sell opportunity. Give yourself some time. Okay, just relax first. Get rid of that how to say that feeling of like, I lost already. Okay, get rid of it, and then once you feel calm, then you can come back. You see, there's so many opportunities for you to enter for sell model. Okay, just remember this out. There's so many. If you miss every single opportunity in London, guess what? Now we are looking in New York. Okay, we are literally finding an opportunity right now. Still, so far, everything looking towards the downside line. Okay, so this is just my advice, lah. That I personally also, sometimes when I feel like this, right, I also do it, lah. Right, just go away. It's very helpful. Seems like we can go for short, collecting bullets. Yes, yes, collect all your bullet first. It seems that way, okay? Let's just wait for a little bit more confirmation. I see we have another sweep here, okay? So basically, this liquidity zone has been swept. Okay, so this one is not relevant because price came and trade back into this range. What is the high of this? 84605, 84607. Okay, so this is actually higher. Okay, so price swap this form of liquidity here right now. Okay, 5 minutes not that pretty price action yet. It's normal, no, guys. Don't be frustrated, eh? Like, oh yeah, why price not moving? It's normal. Remember, this is the weekend, okay? Very, very normal. Okay, so in 40 seconds, this candle will be closing. So this is not relevant because price trade above this range. But whenever something is not relevant, it's not a bad thing, it's a good thing because then we can find the next form of relevance. So far, this one. So this guy is still holding, yeah, so far. Clear targets lah for ETH lah, equal those. Okay, potentially he just want to fill up some of this bearish fair value gaps, and then we may be starting to see a move towards the downside. Or if not, we get in for London high. Either way, I'm totally fine because both sides also we have quite a lot of pips that we can collect. More towards the upside, lah, I think. No, they're almost the same, depending on where they begin. Let me see grass what happening. Oh, grass went up, guys. Oh, interesting. So this range, okay, so far is respecting this trend line. Okay, this is another form of a strip of liquidity that's happening, and then we're starting to see a move to the downside. Okay, but we have very strong bulls appearing. Now it's what 1040. Okay, so wait and see, huh? There we go. Starting to see some form of bears come in. But again, it's still early. Okay, this one also starting to see bears come in. This is a bullish fair value gap. Let's see if this gets respected or not. See, so far it's showing respect. Bullish fair value gap. This is what I mean by respect now, guys. This is the matrix of it. So bullish fair value gap. Price does not have to mitigate. Okay. In this case, almost mitigated. Okay. But price don't have to mitigate. It can just touch, and then we must start to see a move towards the upside. Okay. If price wants to respect the bullish fair value gap matrix. This one is not enough, because we're seeing price sellers actually are showing their attendance here. Okay, see, sellers are actually showing more attendance around this range lah. Okay, so far this bull managed to push up all the way to this point, but then sellers are pushing price down. Okay, it could be because the sign of the footprint, the first footprint of bears are actually here. Again, price action is still quite messy. Okay, but initially this entry was very nice. I see that. Okay, this get disrespected or what? Yeah, so far I see that it's getting disrespected. We are starting to see bears come in. See ETH. What are we seeing for ETH? See any other form of sweep? Uh, no, there is lah. There is this one here. There is something to see a move towards the downside. But we also have bullish fair value gaps here. Let's keep that in mind. BTC really showing power. These are in 2 minutes, the candle will close. So far, we're seeing sell opportunities, I guess. If you guys planning to enter this trade means, just remember to always protect your capital, This one here. Suspecting this bullish fair value gap so far. Let's see Dogecoin, shall we? So put Dogecoin for around. Okay. Dogecoin we took out London low. Almost took out Asia low. Not really significant move, okay, because London actually begin in the middle. So London didn't take up either one's low. Okay. Let's see. I thought this was grass USDT. I was like, no, suddenly went up. Okay, so this was again not relevant because why? Price actually trade above. So far, this guy seems to be the true one. But again, just remind yourself, we are in a bearish level again, okay? Keep that in mind, huh? And on top of the London high, okay, we actually have a lot more clearer sign of targets for equal low, but doesn't mean that we only should aim for sales, okay? Just be aware of this lah as of now, okay? This bearish fair value gaps, the price is currently sitting inside. Okay, so this one never trade above this range, yeah? So this is still valid. Dodge nothing much, quite slow, so XRP is okay. So let's see Trump. Okay, this is Solana. Also quite slow. Normal lah guys. Weekend. Okay, bear in mind. But to be honest, right, Grass USDT actually is showing a lot more volume lah. To be honest, lah, we're seeing a lot more prettier candles because this is an M5. You see BTC, right? We got M5, right? Is it not really pretty? Is it? You can't really read much. Uh, I mean, Ethereum is not bad, but just slow lah. Actually, consider quite slow. It's just this is the movement. To be honest, Grass USDT quite pretty the price action. We start a strong move down, and now we're seeing price actually so far disrespect these bearish fair value gaps, okay, and then they're moving a little bit towards the upside. But then something to take note of is we did sweep a certain range of liquidity, and we broke trend line. Sorry guys. Oh, I don't know why I'm really tired already. Because we can price move a bit slower. Okay, I mean, we sit back and we chill. Okay, let's just watch price one by one so that we'll be able to capture this opportunity that may be happening today. Okay, confirm sure will happen one. You just have to be patient and wait and see when it will happen. And most importantly, who is in control? Bitcoin go up also quite nice because the range is quite a lot for us to capture. Let's see how price will react to this section. Oh, okay. We have some questions. Correct teacher, thankfully I never entered this now. Awesome, awesome. The price kind of went back up. I won't say really fake out because why we are in a range. So this could be consolidating as of now. It's a normal thing for the weekend, but doesn't mean we don't have opportunity. Like, sure have. You just have to wait and see because right now price is showing us two people are in control. Okay, but so far bulls are more in power lah. Collecting bullet overall. Collect nicely. Then after that, when opportunity, we all shoot nicely. And this one right now, the line I draw also is actually mitigation phase. Okay, and then if you see, bulls range is the only range so far that price didn't trade close to. But the ones for bears initially was here, price trade above, and then bears, price trade above. Sorry, bears here, and then price trade above. Now bears here, potential price still trade above. Oh, sorry, yes. I accidentally moved my table. Yeah, so far we're seeing the upside all being violated lah, but the bulls initially is not. So this is also one of a sign that maybe they are actually in power. The reason why I say maybe is because I'm not seeing clear price action here, guys. It's not that clear for me. I cannot see any form of mitigation. There's too many weeks for me to really clarify if we are seeing form of mitigation. But this one is a form of mitigation. Let's wait and be patient. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to ask, alright? But now I just play the music. You chill and relax first. Just be patient. Okay? Let price flow. Okay, guys, sorry, I went for a small mini snack break also just now, and also to collect some water. Okay, what are we seeing? Okay, guys. So I think for now, primarily we can be focusing on buy for BTC. The reason because this is okay. Highlight number one, number two. Uh, this one not really. This find it out. Wait, this one, this one. Okay, so four ranges of liquidity towards the upside. Okay, they're showing us footprints that potential bears are here. All of them price have been trading to above it lah. Okay, so this range and this range price trade above, take them out. Okay, so when price came here, this is another form of liquidity sweep. Price trade above, take him out. This is another form of liquidity sweep. Price trade above, take him out. Okay, potentially we are going to see another sweep right now. Okay, but the thing you must focus on is this guy until now never been taken out yet. Okay, but like I said lah, I prefer price move up also. The reason being is because there's a lot of range that we can be trading into lah. Okay, not 100% it will reach London high, but at least we have a target to aim for, right? Okay, so just keep that in mind. We can be focusing on buys as of now. Pick up this security. You see, like I said, now it's already having another form of switch. It's repeating itself. Just study the behavior, just study the patterns of what prices keep on doing. ETH a little bit slow, grass what happening? Oh, okay, grass we're still moving towards the upside after this switch. Okay, okay, okay. So for ETH, bears again. Okay. Oh, sorry, bulls. Sorry, bulls. Okay. This is the bullish family gap, which is being respected. Almost failed to the peak. Now we're seeing a nice move down after this sweep. There's also a lot more stronger OB zone here. Lah. Okay, so I just show you guys. The why I say a lot more stronger is because this OB zone right here. Okay, this is the only candle that caused this big move, this aggressive move down. Does that mean that you're going to hold price? No, it doesn't mean that you're going to hold price. Just to let you guys know, that's why we're starting to see a lot more stronger move towards the downside. Okay, aggressive move. See, this one is not aggressive. This big candle is considered aggressive move. This one is one by one by one by one. Okay, not so bad. Okay, but not aggressive. This is considered aggressive. Okay, the reason is because this move made these two big aggressive candles appear. Right? Just keep an eye on that. Okay, just something for you guys to take note of. Okay, this one we can just leave it first. Okay, this is the next form of mitigation. To be honest, right, if we're in a sideway, right, price could potentially just be trading up to this range. So I'll just draw this for now, okay, just for us to see what price will do. Okay, if you're in a sideways movement, price potentially can be coming around this range, like here right now. Okay, come and then we start to see another move down again. Then we start to see up again. But of course, I don't worry. Eventually, we will start to see a powerful move like that. Almost mitigation, guys. What is it doing? It is just seem that we're still moving towards the upside. Grass stuck there for now. Okay, one moment. Let me just set up my trading thing. Okay, be aware. Bearish fair value gap. Filled to the pit. Okay, now we're starting to see a little bit of sellers here. Another seller candle. Yeah, move down. Okay, see? Sweet liquidity. This is also a bullish fair value gap here. Now fill to the pit already. See how they're fighting. Potential now we're going to see an entry mode. Because now we're starting to see some form of volume coming in. When this music comes, look, 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 look. Teacher, do you trade every day? Yes, I trade every day. But of course, it depends if there is opportunity or not. Because weekends, sometimes one of the weekend I don't trade, either Saturday or Sunday. Not purposely, it's just because usually I'm doing something else. Yeah, I say if I go out or I have some errands to run, then I never get to really focus on the chat, then I won't trade lah. But other than that, weekdays means just every day I trade. Not all three sessions, but I trade every day lah. At least one sure got one. Like today, earlier I trade BTC. Now also actually I still got one holding BTC. That's for a little bit longer one lah. Okay, guys. Now potentially we may be seeing a potential entry model because suddenly we start to see volume kicking. Okay, let's just wait. See how price dancing. Maybe you can hear the music you're listening to. Because I want to learn how to trade every day, but sometimes I just couldn't find the opportunity. Okay, no worries. Tomorrow I'm actually hosting the event, the exclusive event in my Discord community, where I will be teaching my exclusive trading strategy. All right, but it won't be that early. Don't worry. Okay, it will be around like, I think around 11 ish or 10:30 a.m. Okay, later I will inform also in our Discord community group. So I will be sharing my exclusive strategy there, where you guys will be able to really understand what do I look at the markets. Trust me, it's so simple to the point maybe you guys might be thinking, huh, that's it? Yeah, that's it. Really, it's just that's it. It's just the only thing is about patience. That's the only thing. Okay, how patient can we be? Okay, guys, see. Now we're starting to see a lot of powerful volume come in. Bigger time frame so far, we're still looking, not really bigger time frame, okay? But like 5 minutes now, we're still seeing move towards the upside, all right? Which again, I don't mind because the target is quite high. Okay, price is dancing around, all right? See, strong push down, strong push up. Let's wait. What is happening in TH? Hi, yes, Brian. Am I able to join? You can join if you want, right? Just inform our admins, okay? Just let them know. Uh, I think they have like their own TNC. Okay, you just have to ask them the TNC. Once you understand the TNC, then why not? But again, let me confirm the time because I feel bad. I supposed to inform you guys earlier because I finished the slide only today. It's not a long slide. It's just like I said, I my strategy, I never really put it into words before. To be honest, still the slides don't have much words. The slides is just some pictures, and I just want to do live analysis and live data with you guys. I will replay certain things so you guys can try my strategy out with me. Because I don't know how to put it into words. I never thought about putting it into words before. I thought it would be very easy to do. When I try, it's like, oh, how do I say this? How do I explain this? Because all has something to do with the concept of what I understand. Okay, guys, we're seeing bulls coming, huh? Okay. See this move. Okay, just be aware, respecting this area. We have a beautiful sweep towards the downside. Price is moving towards the upside. Okay, so far this guy is staying where he wants to stay. Okay, so it seems like we'll be moving towards the upside for now for ETH guys. So if you guys go for buy, that will be more advisable lah. Okay, since we are still in the bearish liquidity range. This is the bearish liquidity range. Okay, we're seeing similar things in BTC. Okay, this is a bullish fair value gap being filled and then respected. Okay, guys, we're moving towards the upside. Okay, I actually prefer upside lah for BTC. Let's see, let's see this range. If price is starting to show some sort of rejection here, just understand that means this confirms we are in a sideways momentum. Okay, doesn't mean cannot trade, can, just something for us to understand. Oh wow, ETH, look at that, guys. Literally just one blink on your eye. Flew already. Whoa, amazing. I hope you guys can enter buy. I didn't enter buy, I wanted to. Okay, let's see grass. Grass still consider respecting this trend line. Initially it broke. Okay, don't see this as a break yet, guys. We still have time. We still have 40 seconds left. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is considered what? Always ask yourself, even though this move is moving towards the upside, obviously, always ask yourself, which high is already taken? Right now, for grass, it's taken out London high. ETH never take out London low or London high yet, okay? Because right now we're still in this bearish fair value gap, seeing what it will do. This is not a real range. I just want to understand if we are in a consolidation phase or not. 10 seconds. Oh, guys, look at the buying opportunity. Oh my god. My BTC trade, the long term one I said I don't mind because I already put BE, so I'm okay. I already collected profits earlier already. Okay, just when we reach this zone now, we're starting to see bears coming, does that mean are we in the consolidation phase? We will have to wait for the candle close and see. Okay, see this one normal. Okay, this one is just matrix of how this works because why? It's just filling up all of the bearish fair value gap. That's why you're starting to see a red candle, and also this is a what is this, guys? OB zone, right? OB zone. Okay, OB zone. So in OB zone, they created this big move down. So essentially, you'll be seeing this kind of reaction now. Okay, nothing fancy, nothing out of the blue or different from the book. It's just common way of how the market moves. Okay, but this one is not really that common because we cannot see what is causing this move down. Let's see, 15 minutes. Do we have any activity? We have, but price is trading above it. Let's see, in 3 minutes if we close straight, and this one potentially be moving down. Okay, wow. Yeah. Let me see this liquidity. Almost swept, not yet, but almost swept this liquidity range. This one is not yet. Nope. Okay, we cannot see any form of liquidity. That means so far still bulls are showing their power. Even though we're seeing a strong move down, guys. So far bulls is still showing control. Okay, hence we are seeing this move up. Is it? I asked him, but I think the admin is helping me to settle something. Oh, I see. Oh, Okay, okay. No worries. Then later I will text the admin. Okay, then I will just highlight that and then ask and see lah. In terms of if you're able to join for tomorrow one. Okay, no worries. Closing the fair value gap picture. Yeah, 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 yeah. Wow, so cool emoji. Beautiful move. Yeah, yeah, insane, oh. But so far, still bulls are in control, right, guys? This is just based on the matrix. Okay, we are seeing bears come in, right? But don't just blindly go for sell here because in the bearish fair value gap, okay, potentially after the market fills it up, we will start to see some move towards the downside. And then also there's an OB zone here, but we cannot see clear form of liquidity being taken out. So there's no clear signs of bears yet. Still, bulls are currently present. Okay, just keep that in mind. Uh, Hope everyone here managed to get. I hope so also. I already set up my trading thing already. That's why I'm not very used to doing live session during a trading session also. That's why I tend to do my live earlier because I like to focus when I'm trading, so I can catch the opportunity service. But it's okay if I don't start now. Okay, then eventually I won't be able to learn and start sooner later on, right? Because I want to be able to how to say trade live with you guys more often now. Okay, that's what we'll be doing a lot more. Let me see, guys. One more. Try to explore YouTube emoji. Okay, then, because we mentioned a fair value gap, there's actually a gap there, right? So okay, not bad. What? Okay, so now we're seeing the slow move down. In a bullish fair value gap, okay, essentially when we see a strong move up, like what happening right now, we like to see slow moves back down into the bullish fair value gap range because when this happen, potentially we'll be seeing another strong move up. So this is the imagine this is the bullish fair value gap. We like to see the slow movement down. Okay. Also, if form is pretty enough lah. Okay, my drawing always usually not that pretty. Okay, it will get prettier. Okay, I promise. Then we will have actually a form of liquidity lah, which price eventually will be shooting up to take it out. So right now you see very strong move towards the upside, and then we're seeing fairly slow movement back towards the downside. Okay, so initially if this bullish fair value gap holds, okay, so I can remove because this fair value gap has been filled. Okay, this bullish fair value gap. If this holds, price will be moving towards the upside continuation now. All right, but not necessarily price has to come into the bullish fair value gap. At least up to mitigation range. Okay, at least up to mitigation, which is already in mitigation right now. Okay, but we see lah. The more it feels, the more lower it goes below mitigation, the more chances there are for bulls to actually enter in again. Because why? The lower price goes in our range, the cheaper price gets. The cheaper price gets, bulls like to enter because they like to buy things at cheap. Same lah, we so what? We prefer to buy things when it got discount, right? Right. That's the best time to buy stuff. Okay, let's see. Grass, what happening? Grass. Okay, grass so far is still respecting this. What? That's what I say. So you guys always wait until candle close. That's now it was trading above. See, now close is below. Okay, grass so far is trading below this trend line. It seems like grass is respecting this trend line so far, right? Is there any other form of liquidity I can refer to for grass? Oh, only got many. Say grass is basically just filling up this bearish fair value gap. I think it filled already. Almost. Almost filled all the way to the pit. But I said it doesn't have to, at least mitigated. And right now we're sitting in a uh, bearish order block zone. Okay, I don't think price actually reached it yet. Yeah, price never reached it yet. But we can just draw this and keep this here. Okay, price never reached it yet. But so far, price seems to be respecting this trend line. Oh, okay, we see move up. Okay, this one is not important. This one is just for us to identify if we are in a consolidation phase or not. I don't think so. It doesn't seem that way. And then we have a beautiful trend line appearing where we are seeing support of price moving towards the upside, guys. Okay, this shows that we actually potentially we can be going for buys. That means bulls are present here. The moment this starts to break, that's when we can focus on sellers. Okay, let me see this one. What is ETH showing? Okay, ETH actually, if we're not mistaken, came into equilibrium level. Yep. Okay, we mitigated this area already. Okay, guys, we can go for buys. Like usually, we are seeing mostly on buying opportunities overall. Overall, we're seeing buying opportunities. But grass weight, grass weight, grass. We are so far underneath the trend line as of now. Okay, let's just wait and see. All right. BTC, just keep an eye on this trend line, okay, as a guide. All right. If price starts to break through this trend line, then we can potentially be aiming for sales. Okay. Right now, since price is moving up again, I would love to see London High get taken out. Okay. But then remind ourselves today is the weekend. Okay, weekend we don't have that much of volume to really push price because to be honest, after 10:30, we will start to see moves like this. I just showed you yesterday, I think enough already. Correct. Yeah, see the move. And just watch 10:30. Right? Okay, see 10:30, move down. See after this, see. Look how high we went. This is insane, this move. This is a normal weekday. Alright? Now it's already 11:19 and we're still around this range. And trust me, it's not something uncommon or out of the blue. Like I said, we are in the weekend right now. Volume is very slow. It's a very normal thing. Grass. But grass so far is the most highest movement lah. I mean, look, see how beautiful. The highest movement so far is actually for grass lah. I'm waiting for my entry because I miss in ETH really. So let's see. What can we actually get today? I hope you guys managed to get anything lah from the analysis that we've been doing. Got a teacher, yeah. Kamade. I did awesome. Congrats. Remember to send in our Discord community later, huh? I never enter, so you guys earn profit. I'm very happy with it, actually. I feel like I got earned if you guys earn also. Okay, grass better, guys. Don't do anything for grass yet. Okay, grass still deciding where he want to grow. Okay, so far looking towards the downside. Yeah, based on this, we're looking towards the downside. Then we also have a bullish fair value gap here. To be honest, I would like to see him trade above at least into this order block zone because that one will give me a lot more power and a lot more, how to say, confidence in terms of price. If you want to move down, we can really take out a lot of forms of liquidity. But I'm not sure if we will be seeing that happening either today or not because, like I said, it is the weekend, right? So I'm not too sure. Okay, guys, price is breaking through this channel right now. Okay, if this happens, potentially we can be looking for sales. Huh? But again, to be honest, we may be in a consolidation phase. Price is not really going through this. In smart money concept, if price right goes above the high of this market today, like it did now, lah, okay? You see, very powerful green candle, and then the very next candle is actually towards the downside. It doesn't matter powerful or not if price trade back down. This is what we call swing failure pattern. I actually have a, yeah, there, SFP. Okay, wait up. Because last time my chart used to be black, the background. That's why most of it is white. Okay, yeah, potential swing failure pattern. Why I say potential is because, like I said, in trading, I always remember to humble myself. Nothing is 100%. All right, this is also a sweep, guys. So potentially bears are showing their presence again here for the fifth time, I think. Okay, if this has any form of mitigation, I show an enter already. So okay, let's see this one. Okay, I will draw my mitigation a little bit higher. This is my personal preference. See, yeah, what price will do. Okay, yeah, so coming back to this line, okay? When we say potential swing failure pattern means this is showing that buyers don't really have that much of interest to keep on pumping in cash to push the trend up. Okay, so on top of the swing failure pattern, we also can see sweep of liquidity showing the potential bears are in here lah, right now. And then the third confluence is this trend line finally got broken lah. Okay, so this is three confluences telling us that price is starting to move towards the downside. Okay, it's not one thing. Please, guys, don't just use one thing. There's a reason why on my YouTube page I got released episode 1, 2, and 3. Okay, they are all trading concepts that I personally am using in my own strategy. Okay, which has helped me gain profits and also gain success in trading. They're not the only ones, okay, but they are part of my trading strategy. And I used to trade solely based on them alone, okay, and made a lot of profits from them, lah, okay. The only thing is, I have to train myself to be very dedicated and very strict with myself. Okay, once I did that, I saw a lot of profits, lah. Okay, just main thing in trading you guys have to do. So I highly recommend that you guys go and watch those series, okay, episode 1, 2, and 3, so that you'll be able to potentially also use them in your trading strategy today. Okay? Okay, guys, price is nearby on mitigation. Let's see. Let's see. Actually, it's already mitigation right now. I just like to set my range a little bit higher. Okay, I want to see how badly price runs. Let's see, let's see, Trust me, the hardest thing in trading is waiting. That's it. If you can master being able to wait, not only trading, you can be a very successful fisher, not fisherman, but the person who can go fishing and enjoy it. Okay, you can be that person. I like fishing, but I don't like two things. One is waiting. Another thing is, to be honest, the fish lah. I feel sad for the fish lah. I know you guys might be thinking, so you don't eat fish, man. I know you all have this question in your mind. I won't answer this question also to be safe. Okay. Let's see, let's see, ETH almost to OB zone. Mitigation. Who is more volume? Seeing bulls, Initially a lot of bears, now bulls coming in. Let's be patient. Just wait and see. You can have 10 confluences or so in trading, but if price doesn't want to respect just one, price will keep on moving in whatever direction he wants. Okay, humble ourselves, remind ourselves this. I want price to go up, to be honest. Because I want to aim for this London high, so there's a lot more nicer opportunity. Like regardless lah, whatever so opportunity is opportunity. Okay, price is trading above, which is okay, by the way, guys. Okay, price trade above, it is okay. Because why? Like I said, this is mitigation. Mitigation, it doesn't mean it will fill up the bearish fair value gap. Okay, this I draw a line. Huh? This is the end of the bearish fair value gap. It's okay for price to even go all the way up to this range. Okay, to close it off because, like I said, price sometimes wants to do that. Okay, so it's totally fine. We just see if price will just go up to this point and then create a nice wick and then we start to see red candles popping in, or we will start to see this very strong green candle closing, then just give up on this trade. We wait for other opportunities for buy. Okay, let's just wait and see. See, strong bullish candle. See, bulls coming in. Okay, just be aware of that. Okay, just be very aware of that. CTH. ETH almost to its range. ETH even tapped into our fair value gap here. This is our fair value gap. Bullish fair value gap. Not mitigate, almost mitigated, and then we're starting to see some sort of move towards the upside. Grass mitigated our bullish fair value gap. Okay, and now price is just relaxing well so far. Okay, not much of movement in grass yet. Okay, guys, give up on this idea for now. Because why? A price traded above. Okay, regardless if we close right now or whatever, just give up on this idea first. Mitigation first. But this one, right, we can keep this range. Why? Because when a fair value gap, right, gets broken through, this is what we call now an inverse fair value gap. So this trend line also we remove first because why? Price trade through it already and didn't do much. Inverse fair value gap means when price goes above, right, then price come back inside and then we start to see bulls means we can use this as a platform for price to move higher. So let's see if price will come back into this range. Okay, even here we're starting to see move. Like I said, price don't have to come to the OB zone. It'll be nice if price wants to come to the OB zone, then we start to see move up. Okay, but again, just fair value gap is also okay because why? The matrix behind the bullish fair value gap is what? If a bullish fair value gap, it will continue to push price up. Same like this. Mitigate. If we want to respect, it should be moving towards the upside. I would like to see it go up. Okay, at least if we go to the OB zone, then I have more confidence into holding price longer. Okay, but again, doesn't mean that we don't have opportunity now if it doesn't go there. Still got. Look at the price action, guys. How to read? This is why sometimes we have to toggle between these time frames. Okay, this is a very straightforward and very simple. Okay, how is it? Understanding about the time frames. All right. The only reason why we have to toggle is basically to find more clarity. I mean, in 5 minutes, you tell me like, you guys can read this. You guys teach me lah. I can understand here is a bullish fair value gap. Okay, fine. This is somewhat an OB zone. Okay, fine. Yeah, but other than this, all in between, right? I cannot see any much. It's very sketchy price action. Okay, but when we go to 1 minute, a lot more clearer, right? It looks a lot more clean to read. Let's see. This is the potential swing failure pattern. Again, we're starting to see price come into this inverse fair value gap. If we're starting to see bulls pop up, then potentially we can go for buys. Okay, this consider okay. You touch it already. Let's see. This is bears as of now. Let's see. Let's see. Potentially this move down also is to close off this bullish fair value gaps here. Okay. This one almost. You see? Now it's moving down. Okay, strong bears in. Wait, guys. Be patient. Don't rush for this. That's what the market want you to do. So that means this inverse parabolic episode tak boleh pakai. Be patient only. You never lose anything. Okay, so initially this was our trend line, right? Price break, go through, break, remove trend line. It will make us confused. See ETH was big. ETH is expecting this bullish parabolic gap so fast in fairway. Grass still there. Grass not much momentum now. To be honest, guys, I think we may be in a sideways movement. We're not really moving much. Let's see where is our mitigation. Hey, hello, Kay. Sorry, I just saw that the chat. Patience is key. Yes, that's the hardest thing in trading. So many times I wanted to enter the trade already, just looking at this, but cannot. Let's wait. You see, now if you enter just now to buy yourself, you see how the price moves. I know how to fish last time when I was kid. Good. Then that's why you got earn profits all lah. Amazing because you know how to fish, so you're very patient. It's been so long. Hello, sir. So late. You still streaming? Yes. I actually want to capture a live trade here today. But so far, I see bulls in control, but not really showing any clear sign of mitigation. That's why I couldn't really enter much. But then I am determined lah to wait and see which potential we can be aiming for. I'm hoping for BTC actually. I'm more interested for it to go up. The reason is because the range to collect some certain amount of pips is high. Because we can aim for London high, but not necessarily you can take out London high. Because I think we are in a consolidation phase. Because price is not really showing much movement or much momentum. So that's why I'm still waiting. Still waiting to see. That's the reason why I'm still streaming today. I hope you're doing well. Okay. Recently doing better for me, some win and some loss. Ah, I see. Okay, okay. Awesome, awesome. Okay, that's the way. Always put ourselves back in the market. Take patient discipline. Yep, it's key. For sure, I will guide you guys. Tomorrow, I'm going to do our session, guys. The session about teaching my strategy. Okay, there's a reason why actually I never entered yet. I'm still waiting. Tomorrow, you guys will find out. You guys will know my strategy behind. Okay, I want to see certain clear things. If I'm being fairly honest, okay, fairly honest, right? This would be a beautiful trading opportunity, lah. Okay, because this is mitigation and then we start to see a move towards the upside. If I'm being honest, this would be a very nice entry, but of course lah, still not that pretty because you see now price coming back. Yeah, so thankfully I didn't enter this area because I think we're in a consolidation phase here. Okay, ETH, I'm actually mostly hoping for it to go down. The reason being is because we have a clear sense of a target here, guys. Equal low, just remember this. Okay, I give you the number. So you guys, when you maybe later on, if you guys notice price moving towards the downside, so you guys can trade to this 2076.35. Remember this, 2076.35. So this is the range that we can be aiming for sales. Okay, once we start to see Ethereum moving down. Ethereum, I'm hoping to move down. BTC, I'm hoping to move up. I cannot like that. Usually they move kind of like correlate one. So I need to choose one. I also interested in this gas seriously. But then nothing much showing yet lah. Okay. Yeah, 15 minutes is showing is respecting this trend line. Okay. So essentially we should be seeing a move towards the downside. Okay, but there's no clear form of liquidity sweeps here. Okay, and then we are in a bullish fair value gap right now, which price has mitigated and respecting. If we're moving down, sure, I will aim for London lower because the momentum in the grass USDT so far actually quite okay. But this 5 minutes is quite a lot. See, ETH, what are you doing? What are you doing? ETH showing some signs of the move towards the upside, like guys. I guess drawing this trend line, okay, just as a guide, all right. It doesn't necessarily mean that if the price actually breaks through, we'll be seeing a move down, okay. It doesn't necessarily mean that because why? We still have areas that is supporting price. ETH is also quite nice, like go up, like actually, to be honest. Our range of liquidity also quite a lot. Okay. Because this is not a very clear mitigation range. This is over mitigation for me lah. Okay, price came through. Price never trade above this footprint of bears here yet. Okay, moving down. This is mitigation. I mean discount. We are also in discount range right now. Bears are showing their presence as of now. Just keep in mind, guys, we also have a bearish fair value gap here. But this usually is a reversal candle lah. This sign lah. Okay, so like this, we tend to start to see price move down. Let's see that. See. Yeah, check picture again. Screen to very profits in assembly. Yeah. Amazing. Actually, very proud of you guys. Everybody can make it. It's just how determined and how much of hard work are we willing to put out. There, guys. See, I didn't guess this lah. It's just how the candle structure usually works. It's not 100% because again, like weekend volume, it got strong volume. Usually, this kind of candle, it means this is the end of the pullback. Okay, then we start to see move down, like what's happening now. Okay, so if you're moving towards the downside, right, for Bitcoin, okay, I won't advise you guys to aim for like these lows or even London low for now. Okay, the reason being is because if you are in a sideways momentum, okay, try to aim within this range, guys, to be safe. All right, so maybe you can aim for these lows here in New York just for now because we're not seeing price really get out of this range. You never take out London low. It's not going towards London high yet. All right. So far, ETH is reflecting this trend line. Okay, grass, finally we start to see price is moving towards the downside. Okay. Grass has a lot more momentum. That's one thing I can say. Like really a lot more momentum compared to the previous two charts. Give me a moment. Let me just see Dogecoin for a while. Nope. Guys, Dogecoin clearly is in sideways. So that means most probably BTC also be actually in a sideways momentum right now. Solana, same thing. Normal lah guys, weekend. So do not aim for the highs or the lows. Okay, my advice for any sessions. Okay, just trade within that range. Okay, within the current session range to be safe. Official Trump actually not so bad. Okay, this one actually quite good lah. This one at least taken out London high. We see if we can see any sell opportunities or not. Yes, this one can see certain sell opportunities. We have a beautiful sweep here. if here has any form of mitigation, okay, potentially we can be looking for selling opportunities. Let's see here. I like to draw my mitigations a bit higher, guys. It's just based on my trading strategy. It's just my personal preference. Okay, potential price wants to come and fill up this gap. Price starting to disrespect this trend line for ETH. Also, just be aware about grass USDT. Even though we're starting to see selling opportunities, okay, potentially bears are here. All right, just understand we are still in the bullish fair value gap. Okay, price already mitigated this area, but just be in mind. Keep that in mind. Okay, price trading through. Because the grass is always greener on the other side. That was nice. That's actually a good one. Okay, okay, okay. It's fairly new. Actually, it's not because it's new. Actually, it has good momentum. It's because weekends. Whenever weekends, right, we don't have enough volume for price to really move the market in how we usually collect our profits lah. Because we tend to aim for either London high, Asia low, Asia high. But then, like when weekends, right, it's always safer when we're able to analyze that we're in a consolidation phase to trade within the range. This is the range. So if price is moving towards the upside, okay, remember when it's moving down, trade within the range. Find any liquidity area that you like, okay, and then just trade only up to that range. When you start to see bulls come in, take out your profits. Same thing when price come below, when price moves towards the upside, when you start to see bears come in, take out your profits. So still can trade, all right, still tradable. You want me to make it even more simplified for you? You see this box, right? Okay, you draw another box on top of the box in trading view. Okay, try to make it as perfect as possible. Right, this box. So what you can do, okay, usually your box will be like a color one, right? So you go to settings. Okay, you see the style, text, coordinates, visibility. Okay, only in consolidation do this. You see the middle line they written here. Turn it on. When you turn it on, every time price goes above this middle line and you start to see bears come in, go for sells. Every time when price goes below the middle line, when you start to see bulls come in, go for buys. Okay? But don't keep doing this. Alright? Because why? Because you have to first be able to understand and learn properly. Okay, really look at price when bears are starting to come in, when bulls are starting to come in, then only you choose to take out your profits. Okay? This is just one trading strategy that you guys can do now. Okay, especially for consolidation phases like this. You see, right now you see price is in the middle range, right? Okay, I feel we are still going to stay in consolidation. So when price comes below this range, when we start to see any signs of bulls, we can go for buy. Okay, so I just leave this open. Maybe I make this a bit lighter. All right. Let me try and find a way how I can make this middle line a bit thicker. Okay, there we go. A purple a bit weird, huh? Okay, put the same color. I have nothing to do with purple, huh? By the way, guys. It's a nice color. Okay. Okay. Let me see. ETH. ETH broke through. Again, guys, it doesn't mean the price will continue to move down. It doesn't mean that. ETH doesn't seem like we are moving in a consolidation phase. Okay, ETH we actually has some momentum. So we cannot use that same strategy here. Potentially this break is because, like I said, this family gap has not been filled. Maybe he want to fill it up. Alright? Okay, grass. There we go. Grass is touching our mitigation and we're seeing some form of rejection here. which is what we like to see when price goes to mitigation, but we're seeing bulls lah. Okay, signs of bulls. We're not seeing any signs of bears. We like to see signs of bears when price comes into mitigation. But again, we also have another bearish fair value gap here. Let's see what price will do. Okay, let me turn off the middle range first. Don't need that now. Okay, so this can remove. Price didn't respect mitigation. Let's see what price will do here. Okay, price didn't respect. Do not aim for sales. Wait, don't rush for this guy. Sorry guys, I accidentally hit my mic. I don't know, suddenly you'll hear boom, what sound or not. So hard to trade during consolidation? Not really. Okay, there's a strategy. I explain it again. Huh? It is difficult if you are aiming for London highs or Asia highs or other specific liquidities that is towards the buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity is difficult. But what you can do, like this, you see this is actually a box, you know. Yeah, this is just a strategy. I can teach you guys. Okay, this is a box that I draw above my New York range. I only draw it within New York range. The reason because when in consolidation, we understand price will stay within that range, right? Okay. Then what you do after you draw the box, okay, of course you make it a bit lighter so you can see price. You need to see the colors of price, very important. Okay. You go to your settings in TradingView. You see under styles, right? They were right here, middle line. Make sure it's enabled. Okay. The reason why is because the way you can trade this is whenever price is below this middle line, this is considered sell side liquidity. When we start to see signs of bulls like this, you can go for buys. But whenever price reach above the middle line, stay focused on your charts and look out if you can analyze any form of bears or not, their footprint. If you can, straight away take out your trade. Then you can go for sell opportunities until certain point price goes below that middle range. When price go below, if you start to see any signs of bulls, take out your profits. I'll show you an example. Okay, this one I don't need to show lah. This one you know already. Okay, bulls are here. Okay, coming up here. All right, this is a closest form of liquidity. Moment sweep, starting to see a candle. Take out your trade. Number one, profit number one. Then go for sell. Price come down. This one, see, profit number two. Take out. So you go for another buy again. This one a bit tricky lah because why? There's no liquidity range, but this is a bullish fair value gap. Okay. Also keep that in mind. Just remember the matrix I teach you guys that bullish fair value gap. It will move cause price to move up after being filled or mitigated. Bearish fair value gap, same thing. It will cause price to move down after being filled or mitigated. So when this take out, okay, still consider profits now. All right, price come down again. Inside where? Sell side liquidity. Are bulls here? Yes, bulls are here again. Okay, enter again. See, moment this one a bit tricky. Okay, see, this is why the strategy can work. Okay, but it depends lah how good are we at reading price. Okay, so price come all the way up to this section. Okay, price took out this liquidity range. Then we're seeing strong sellers coming in, take out profits. This is one strategy to trade for consolidation. Okay, it really requires a lot of practice. Okay, because you have to be very quick and very fast in analyzing price actions. You have to really understand the footprints of where bulls and bears they will show their footprint now. Okay, but usually consolidation, don't worry. Consolidation, we don't have these powerful bulls or powerful bears like we see on the weekdays. Suddenly price will just keep shooting up. We don't have that. It will take few candles to move down, but you still have to act fast. You have to literally sit in front of your computer. It's not like the weekdays one. where we analyze already, mitigation, enter trade, set SL, TP, then we can just do other stuff. We just analyze the chart based on our phone, okay, time to time. It's okay. But if you're doing consolidation trades, you have to sit in front of your computer. Okay. Actually, I should be doing that lah. I should show you guys the potential. Actually, quite okay one. But you just need to act fast. Yeah, yeah. Need to act fast. Correct. Need to keep learning and practicing. Yes, really need to get used to how the market moves. Yeah. And also in terms of matrix, you guys have to understand the matrix. You see all these things I'm drawing, right? It's not purposely drawing. See, bears, okay, we are in sell liquidity. This is a bearish fair value gap. Okay, bearish fair value gap. What is the matrix behind? When price mitigates or fills it up to the peak, we will start to see reaction towards the downside. Is that what happening right now? It is. Because why? This is common market structure, common market behavior. It is how market's supposed to react when these certain things happen. Okay? So this is just a common reaction. Alright? Usually consolidation trades, I won't keep on. Yeah, don't, please don't. I rarely use M1 to trade. I as if you guys are fairly new to trading, to be honest, I won't recommend you guys also really to use M1. The reason being is because M1 requires you to be able to really read price quickly, okay, in order to be able to analyze them properly and take trades. But at the same time, M1 shows the most clarity in terms of what is currently happening in price at this moment. Okay. The reason why I go M1 as well right now is because of this. You see M5, what can we see? What is this? We cannot read anything. The only thing I can read is this. This is a bullish fair value gap. Okay, sorry guys, the color a bit difficult to see. Oh, great. I didn't do anything better. There we go. Bullish fair value gap, order block, price came into order block. Okay, disrespect the bullish fair value gap by the way, and then price moving up. Okay, but not really moving up. We actually mostly in the consolidation phase now. So I cannot really see much. But when I go into 1 minute, it's a lot clearer. It's a lot more candles. So that's why I go 1 minute. I also don't always go 1 minute. Okay, I majority of my time I usually focus on M5 and also M15s. Okay, and my bigger time frame, of course, I cannot forget my bigger time frames. Okay, but M5 usually is that sweet spot lah for me lah. Okay, but M1 I usually go into to confirm when I entry or want to enter something. I like to see certain things happening. That's all. Okay. Don't worry. Tomorrow when we do our session, I will let you guys know lah. All right. Okay. So let's see. Let's see price. What is happening right now? What is happening right now? Okay. So this bearish value gap is being disrespected as of now. Okay. ETH, you see, this is what I mean. In breakthrough doesn't mean it will keep going down. The reason why is because today is a weekend, so we can remove this. Okay, we're seeing many strips of liquidity from the buy side. So that means potentially price wants to move towards the downside, but it's not. Cross USDT also just moving here, guys. But initially it had the most volume, most movement. Okay, so no worries. Thank you, Kay, for asking these questions. Or it's good to ask. It will help many other people keep more clarity. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to ask. Interesting thing to look at, right? Okay, is that in this order block zone, we have one liquidity range here. We have two lah. Okay, two. Okay, so let's see. When price take out either one of these ranges, right? What price could do? I'm actually fairly interested to find out. Let's see now. BTC. So far, these bears are holding power, but to be honest, bulls were holding the strongest power lah. Until now, even though in consolidation phase, price never traded below the bulls lah. Bears got a few times. Let's see. Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin also be moving towards the upside right now. But again, we have a bearish pair value gap here. But at least Dogecoin managed to take out London low lah. We must give him some credit for that lah. Same, Solana is the same. At least take out London low. We have again bearish pair value gaps, keeping price down. Somebody really want to keep price down. Yeah, beautiful switch of liquidity. Yeah, overall the market is really slow. It's normal, I guess. Okay, this area being disrespected. No need to remove first because why this is becoming an inverse fair value gap. Inverse fair value gap basically means when price breaks above and price comes back into it and trades, and then we start to see bulls coming means we can potentially be looking for buys here. Alright, this is just the common matrix of it. But so far we are seeing sellers, you see, bears actually showing more power, but don't just believe this candle, no, guys. Look at how the candle closed. You see the rejection. This means, right, more bulls are actually present here, regardless whatever candle is shown here. Just keep that in mind. Let's see how the candle react. If this much of volume is showing red, we are supposed to be seeing like nice candles closing. But you can see rejections. Okay, that means maybe this inverse fair value gap is holding and doing its job. Let's see. More question, more thing to learn. Yes, correct. That's how we all learn from each other as well. Correct. More questions, the more we all learn. All all of us learn, including myself. I think today is the real live video. You guys can see how much of patience it actually takes for a trader to be like to wait for price. Today, I think you guys can really see literally nothing much that we can be doing. And we've been sitting here for how long? Almost 3 hours now. This is reality, but don't worry lah. Weekdays not like this lah. Weekdays usually after 10:30, you will be able to find something one. Okay, weekends is like this. But that's the thing about trading. You really have to love it because there will be days like this. You just sit, and then not be able to find much opportunities. Really, there will be days like this. But you really have to love trading to enjoy it. Like I said, inverse fair value gap. Okay, price come in, trade it into. We are starting to see bulls come in. If the candle closes strongly, alright, then we can be going buys as well. But not much lah the range because we understand we are in the consolidation phase as of now. So up to this range level. But still lah, just based on this, at least we can understand the matrix and how candle works lah, how candle moves, right? Guys, you enjoy the music first. Let me go to the restroom a while and then refill my water, okay? Then maybe we just be live for maybe another 10 minutes or what. Then we'll end the live session because I need to inform you guys so tomorrow what time our session will be like, alright? Okay, just talk in the chat, live chat, alright? Ask me any questions, I'll be back. Give me a few minutes, You guys enjoy the music first. Guys, look at price, man. What is happening ETH? Okay, ETH almost reaching that zone. Okay, grass nothing much now. Look at BTC, man. Suddenly flying. Okay, we're seeing strong bulls coming now. So overall, right, guys, we actually in a consolidation phase. Okay, but bulls initially the ones that we identify. Okay, they are actually the ones driving price, even though in consolidation phase. The reason being is because, okay, every time when we see footprint of bears, multiple times the footprint was being taken out. The reason why I personally didn't enter, okay, it is because I like to see certain clear forms of mitigation and certain clear signs of price, showing me powers of bulls. Based on this, I cannot see guys. Okay, if you guys watch carefully, we're not seeing any powers of bulls. Really, it's just a mix of candles. To be honest, quite ugly price action. Okay, especially in the 5 minute time frame. And then I'm more used to aiming for highs or lows, okay, which is what I always advise you guys to do so that we capture quite amazing trades now based on this. We are in a consolidation phase, all right. There's not a wrong understanding, you see, up to a certain range, okay, to the top, and then we start to see move down. This is what I mean by consolidation phase, all right. But the power is still more towards the bull side. Okay, just something to key takeaway lah for today lah is in terms of how we will be able to identify who is truly in control and the signs that will show us that one of them actually keep on losing land. I will make another video today, okay, a short one. I promise it'll be a short one, okay, explaining about that, and I will share it to you guys, especially on my YouTube page, so you guys can watch it for free. All right, it won't be like hidden or anything like that, and all of you guys will gain access to it. I will share with you what I'm able to analyze here, okay, based on the signs that market is showing us continuously that bears were actually losing. I also actually got highlight this slide. I'm not sure if you guys managed to capture it or not in the live stream just now. I got mentioned price keep on attacking bears, all right. I wanted to enter for buys, but like I said, I cannot really see clear forms of mitigation, to be honest. Like I got highlight also. This is the only really kind of clear form of mitigation, kind of, okay, but it is not uh, to my liking lah. Personally, to my own liking, it's not really there. All right. Other than that, nothing was close to mitigation, guys. Even just now, you see the inverse. Look at it. This was the bearish. Oh wow, color is very thick now. Hold on. This was the bearish fair value gap. Okay, you see, price came. Okay, based on matrix, we will see a reaction. That's why we saw a reaction. Price disrespect. Then I said what? This will become inverse fair value gap. So that means when price comes into it, price should be shooting up. Instead, what price do? Price shoot all the way down. And then price shoot all the way up. This is not how inverse fair value gap works, guys. Price is so, how to say, uh, not pretty lah. The way how price moving lah, based on the matrix and all. Okay. Again, we are not supposed to micromanage our price. That is why we never really truly choose to enter, and I lah never truly choose to enter a trade because I want to be a viewer today. I want to react based on what price is showing me. And since I understand overall we are in the consolidation phase, so I'm not going to potentially be aiming for this beautiful high, which I was truly hoping that price will be going to. Okay, guys, yeah, OB zone. This is first form of liquidity. I'm seeing a reaction. Okay, just keep that in mind. Or this beautiful low, which is also very nice, Asia low. Okay, or even just London low. To be honest, at this point, right, if we starting to see bears later on, right, if I never see that, because I'm gonna record a video, explaining about the signs on how we can do that next time. So when you guys are trading, you guys can use the same understanding. Okay, so you will be able to find clarity in terms of who is in control. Okay, just for me, the price action is not that pretty enough for me to enter. All right, But again, you guys can enter as well, okay? Because this mitigation is actually beautiful. This one I missed out. I'm not sure if I went to restroom or what this time. Yeah, but this one I missed out. This is very beautiful mitigation. So if we were to enter this, say we wait for price close, okay, below the low, maybe 1 to 1.5, okay, almost 1 to 2. Yeah, almost 1 to 2 lah. We can get at least almost 1 to 2 lah. We can, guys, don't always go 1 to 3 or 1 to 5, okay? I recommend that you guys at least go 1 to 2 or 1 to 1 is totally fine. Yeah, 1 to 2, then price actually went up. Yeah, so this is the only based on my trading strategy I really like to see because it's clean. Okay, very clean market structure. Yeah, how I missed this. And then also this bullish level gap kind of respecting. All right, so two things that I really want to see. Very beautiful this one. Should have entered here. But it's okay if we don't trade today. We have another trading day tomorrow. All right, just keep an eye out lah on this ETH. Okay, especially guys. I will say it again. Later, if you guys miss it out, means I'm sorry. For ETH, okay, just remember if you start to see bears, okay, in the market, just know that we have equal lows below. The price, I say again, 207, sorry, 2076.31. Just remember this, okay? See, price is now starting to move down. I personally prefer, personally lah, I prefer to see price trade back into this OB zone, and then I want to see bears because why? We got a lot more room to trade. See, we can trade all the way down. It'll be a lot more rewarding lah. Okay, I don't mind to wait until price come here to attack this equal low. But again, we don't own the markets. Okay, we cannot run the markets. The market will choose whenever he want to actually show signs of bears or bulls lah. As of now, we are still seeing bulls in power. All right, but please do not purposely just aim for London high. Okay, just look at how price is reacting, what is price doing. As of now, price is in the OB zone. Okay, so wait until this price close. Okay, also there is a sweep of liquidity here that occurred. So these bulls are carrying price. So far, ETH is not in consolidation. Okay, ETH is okay. Grass, okay, whoa, guys, grass now we're seeing some moves. Grass, okay, grass is seeing some nice moves. Still not clear enough moves to for an entry. Okay, but ETH having some clear moves lah. Okay, just wait and see for ETH a little bit more. Let the price close. See how it will close at this OB zone. If it close above this OB zone, guys, just remember this will become what? Inverse OB zone. So when price goes above, comes back in like this, comes back in. You start to see bull, just go for buy. Right? That means it will carry price up. Okay, potentially where you can aim for this liquidity range here. This one, what number is this? Okay, 2220.06. Okay, if it continue to go up, someone then nice lah, be happy lah. Can take out London High, but I do not really think London High will be taken out. I could be wrong. Okay, we never know. Okay, New York session still got what? Another 3 hours, 4 hours, some more. All right, never know. Okay, just watch how price will react after this OB zone. BTC, wow, now we're seeing nice movement. Look at this, see. Are we potentially now starting to see a different trend? Are we no longer in a consolidation phase? Now M5 is starting to get clarity. In trading, we always want clarity. Okay, let's see here. No clear forms or switch of liquidity, but what we can see clearly is this bearish fair value gap disrespected, okay, becomes an inverse respected, bearish fair value gap getting disrespected, wait for price to come back into this range. If you start to see bulls, go for buys. Okay, potentially this one can be picking up because we're quite close already. So see how it reacts into this inverse fair value gap. Then we can be potentially be looking for opportunities for buy, guys. This part, Bitcoin. Let me set up trading thing. Small potential only. Let's just look. What volumes are we looking at? Be patient, Remember, if you never catch this, price just shoots up until London high. Just be happy be able to analyze that. Okay? Don't chase. You really know it is the weekend. We already saw how sketchy price was all the way up to this point. Right now, we want to rush. No reason. Okay? Just wait. Anyways, so tomorrow I'm gonna teach you guys my trading strategy. See, this one I say always have to wait for price to close. Look at this rejection because of the order block. This is why trading. If you're patient, I tell you, you guys already successful, man. I blew up many accounts before also because I wasn't patient. You must be okay to not take a trade. Literally, you must be okay. You must be like, it's okay, I just don't take a trade today. Maybe I'll take one tomorrow, because maybe tomorrow will be more clear. There's more clarity. When you guys can tell this to yourself, you guys are successful already. Let's see, Okay, after this we end, guys. After this session, we end, Okay, traders. I think right. Okay, price may not come back into this inverse fair value gap zone. Okay, so our London high target right is still a possibility for BTC. Yeah, ETH I'm not too sure because ETH we still have quite some range, and then price right now is respecting this bullish fair value gap. All right. But then we also have this order block which has not been broken through. Like you can see like in 5 minutes, I can see how much of respect price is giving to this range as of now. Okay, so ETH we're not too sure. BTC maybe, okay, but keep an eye out. Okay, if you're starting to see a move towards the downside, just start to see how price will react into this inverse fair value gap. If we're starting to see bulls come in, okay, then potentially we can be looking to close off London high, guys. All right. Again, also later I'll be posting a video exclusively for the post-market analysis that happened. Okay, and also for today, also I will be teaching you guys a very important concept pertaining to understanding who is really in control, as the market will tend to give us certain signs. But this one, you can be using it during consolidation phases, like this current situation. All right, I will release the video after this live stream. Okay, I will record it first, then I'll release it for you guys. So tomorrow, I will inform you guys the timing. Maybe it won't be in the morning because I'm afraid some of you guys maybe already slept already. Maybe we see lah. Maybe we do it in the late evening or maybe in the afternoon or what, so everybody can like chill, and then join. So I will teach you guys my personal trading strategy tomorrow, exclusively available in my Discord community for free lah. Okay, for those that are interested to join, please feel free to register to the link which I have shared in the live chat. Okay, basically it's just a Google form. Once you guys register, all you have to do is text me in either my WhatsApp number there, just informing me that I do not already registered. What's next? And then I will send you the Discord community link by myself lah. Okay, personally, not by myself. Personally, I will send the Discord community link to you so that you guys will be able to join me and then also basically be in an environment with other like-minded traders. Okay, being in the correct environment, it is so important, guys, especially if you guys are genuinely interested in becoming traders. Okay, because whenever you feel lost or whenever you feel confused about anything, just know that there are many other people that think the same, okay, and want the same thing, that will be supporting you all the way of your journey of where you want to be as a trader. All right. If that sounds interesting, guys, remember to register to the link in the description below or the link in the live chat. Now, I got pinned it there, okay? Okay, teacher, I'll get more friends to join. Yes, please do, please do. All for free. Just join, why not? Let them use it together. Yes. You like this emoji now? Yes, please, please. Why not? All of this is money we're printing from the market, right? All in together, lah. Trading actually kind of made me train my own patience. Me also, a lot. Trading requires so much of patience. See, we're sitting here for 3 hours. We haven't taken a trade yet. I'm not sure if I will be taking a trade or not because after this I want to gonna leave the video for you guys. But I will see lah because I'm still with my computer. If there's any potential entries that I may be entering, okay, I will share with you guys inside the Discord community. For this one, I guys, just be aware. You see, when this fair value gap again gets disrespected, right? This becomes an inverse fair value gap. That's why when price broke above, okay, comes back in. That's why we're seeing a move up. Okay, but at the same time, focus on the price, the candlesticks. You see, it's a very beautiful, simple move up. Okay, suddenly we have a move down, and then we're starting to see move up. This one, okay, strong move up. We're seeing a nice calm move down, and then now another move up, and then a very strong move down. Just now I share with you guys the concept. Okay, this didn't break a high yet. All right, so we cannot say that this is potentially moving towards the upside. Okay, we may be starting to see price move towards the downside, but just keep an eye out lah on these inverse fair value gaps. All right, just keep an eye out on that. Okay, guys, I think I'll be ending the live session here today. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you all for staying up to this long. Okay. We'll be doing more longer live streams lah because I feel there's a lot more that we can share with you guys, especially what is happening right now in the market. To be honest, during Sideway only we can learn a lot more. You can see certain things happening, how many control, how many footprints are being shared. Okay, most importantly, there are ways on how we can be able to analyze who is truly in control, and that video will I will record right after the session. Okay, then I'll post it on my YouTube page, then you guys all can watch it. Okay, today. Thank you, teacher. Thank you so much for joining and being here up to this time. Today's session was great. I'm so grateful that it was insightful for you. Okay, as it was for me. Manage to train and practice my patience too. Like me also, I never take one trade. 3 hours. But not the first time. I've done this before. Yeah, I got sit almost half day or so. Never take a trade. That one was the most terrible one. I once only before. Yeah, but God. To be honest, the feeling after you feel like I never take one trade as well. There's a certain peace to it. Yeah, because you're going against yourself, reminding yourself, don't take any trades until you see what you want to see. That is what we call determination. That is what we call training. Okay. So again, guys, I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for joining today's live stream. If you guys are new and enjoy this live stream, please leave a like, okay, on this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we do this almost every single day. The next one will be tomorrow, guys. Okay, we'll be speaking to you again. On top of that, tomorrow will be our exclusive, okay, session, especially available in our Discord community, whereby I will be sharing you the deep inside details and also going through some back testing with my own personal trading strategy. Okay, I will inform the timing inside our Discord community. I won't make it so early, don't worry, so that those that maybe have stepped off already, you guys still will be able to see it and join. Okay, so I'll be speaking with you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful, should I say good morning or good night? As I don't know, rest of the night lah. Okay, I will speak to you all tomorrow. Take care. Have a very good one. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.